Hi everyone, welcome to Naresh Technologies. In this video, we are going to give a challenge on core Python. The challenge is about list. Here, list is a collection of objects. Whatever the data you are storing into that list, that will be stored in the form of object only. What is the task here? What is the challenge here? First of all, create an empty list object. How to create means what? Using list class constructor. Whenever you call the constructor of list class, it will create an empty list. And next one, read 5 integer elements using input function. Input function returns the data in a string form. So we need to convert. Integer function can be used to convert string into integer data. So read 5 integer elements using input function and store all the 5 elements into list. How can we store all the 5 elements into list means what? Using append function. List object is providing a predefined function called append, by which we can add the elements at the end of the list. It's nothing but storing the elements. Using this append function, store all the 5 elements into that list, and finally find sum of all the elements in the list. Find sum of all the elements. What you have read 5 elements, suppose if they input, read all the 5 elements into list. After reading 5 elements, just find the sum of all the 5 elements and display that sum. This is, but create an empty list by calling the constructor. How to call the constructor and all we know, right? Please write the code and comment your code. Thank you.